New Commission Hyperdrive AI prompts create high-converting done-for-you affiliate marketing copy. Use these prompts and instantly get funnels, ads, landing pages, emails, and more that can start generating sales for your affiliate business. Boost your sales now. Unlock secret prompt sales copywriting, content creation, email campaigns, comparison guides, landing pages, keyword research, FAQs, and Q&A content, lead magnets, social media posts, video scripts, A/B testing ideas. What are the secret affiliate marketing prompts? The secret affiliate marketing prompts is a counterintuitive approach to creating high-converting affiliate marketing copy for landing pages, funnels, ads, emails, and so much more. Say goodbye to wasting time ideating, crafting, and testing copy that don't turn complete strangers into profitable sales. We achieve this by using proven-to-sell ChatGPT prompts that new affiliate marketers can use to launch, test, and ship more copy than ever before. And as a result, you can run affiliate campaigns profitably and have profit coming back into your wallet. This is the secret affiliate marketing prompts bundle. Here are some of our recent customer results. Heather Paycheck, Arthur Paycheck, Bob Paycheck, David Paycheck, Jay Paycheck, Rachel Paycheck, Kyle Paycheck, Mike Paycheck, Sam Paycheck, Troy Paycheck, Samantha Paycheck, Sarah Paycheck. These secret affiliate marketing prompts are the shortcut to creating copy and content that actually converts. Before we created this bundle, new affiliates struggled to make sales consistently and were giving up every single day. They would spend hours ideating on what their copy should say. They would cross their fingers, not a good business plan, in hope of making a sale. They would waste thousands on ads and have no sales to show for it. And worst of all, they would be so burnt out from all the time and money invested that they would just give up. This led the debuffs.com expert team to question everything about how new affiliates could enter our space and become successful. After years of looking through affiliate and marketplace data, we found similarities across new affiliates who broke through the noise and finally made profitable sales. We knew it was in our best interest to get this information out to more aspiring affiliates, so we've bottled up that data. And now you have the opportunity to get direct access to no more hours writing copy, wondering if your copy will convert, losing thousands testing your own writing. Instead, you'll get copy that can scale to thousands per month, an ability to consistently generate winning copy, confidence that the copy you are using will convert for a one-time investment of only. Unlock secret prompts, lifetime access, all future updates, 24/7 expert support. Remember, AI will not replace humans, but humans using AI will. But wait, that's not all. You also get exclusive and special bonuses. Bonus number 1. Secret all-in-one tool. Everything you need to succeed is included, all in one place. Secret all-in-one tool: sales, funnels, website builder, blogging plus SEO, unlimited web hosting, online course contacts list, community site, unlimited students, your own affiliate program, 0% transaction fees, 24/7 email support, unlimited email sending. Total value $97. Bonus number 2. Secret tool training. Unlock ultimate benefits with this secret tool training. Secret tool training, new users. This secret tool training is the perfect starting point. Get in-depth tutorials on every feature to quickly master the platform and fast track your first launch. Funnel builders. Become an expert in creating high-converting funnels. Promote yourself as a certified funnel builder and deliver superior results for your clients and your own business. Agencies. Add the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform to your offerings, enabling you to deliver more value to your clients and stand out in the competitive agency market. Total value $97. Bonus number 3. Secret buyer finders. Uncover ultimate benefits with virtually unknown software. This is completely different because almost nobody knows about secret buyer finders. You don't need paid advertising, you don't need content marketing, you don't need email list building, you don't need social media marketing, you don't need search engine optimization. Get hundreds or even thousands of targeted visitors ready to buy. Total value $97.95. Bonus number 4. Official certification. Discover the ultimate benefits of official certification. Official certification. Master every feature of this all-in-one secret tool and set up any online business with ease. Monetize your expertise by offering funnel and website building services to your clients. Discover new ways to use the secret tool to expand your marketing and grow your business. Skip feeling overwhelmed and start working faster with this secret all-in-one tool. Complete the course at your own pace and pick up where you left off anytime. Total value $90. It is the ultimate done-for-you affiliate business you've been looking for. But wait, we want to make it a complete no-brainer for you. No questions asked, 100% money-back guarantee 30 days. Try completely risk-free for 30 days. See what this powerful secret affiliate marketing prompts can do for you. If for any reason whatsoever you're not happy within the first 30 days, contact support for a full refund and we'll promptly return all your money without any questions asked. Additionally, you can keep everything as our gift for trying it. Here's an overview of everything you get today. For just $27 secret affiliate marketing prompts, here's what you'll get. Secret affiliate marketing prompts, $197 value. Bonus number 1. Secret all-in-one tool, $97 value. Bonus number 2. Secret tool training, $97 value. Bonus number 3. Secret buyer finders, $97.95 value. Bonus number 4. Official certification, $97 value. Lifetime access all future updates 24/7 expert support a total value. $585.95 for a one-time investment of only. Unlock secret prompts. Act fast, as this exclusive offer won't last forever. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Of course, the prompts can be used as is or can be adjusted to fit your specific campaign objectives. Important. The testimonials shown are real experiences from paying users of our secret affiliate marketing prompts. However, it's important to note that their results are not typical. Your own experience will vary based on your effort, education, business model, and market forces beyond our control. Legal. This website is not affiliated with or endorsed by YouTube, Bing, Google, or Facebook. It is not operated or owned by Google Inc., Microsoft Inc., or Meta Inc. Additionally, YouTube is a trademark of Google Inc., Bing is a trademark of Microsoft Inc., and Facebook is a trademark of Facebook Inc. Disclaimer. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and/or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement, or opinion